From Mehendi glow to dance floor drama, watch me transform my look from day to night with no muss, no fuss, just a few easy tips and tricks. Hi everyone, I'm Saloni and you're watching me on BeBeautiful. Today I'm going to show you how to take your makeup look from soft matte daytime to a glossy shimmery night look. Perfect for the wedding season. It's super easy. We're going to do this with very few products. Let's start with the primer. I personally love weddings. I was pretty young when my sister got married, so I don't recollect much of the hectic planning. I'm sure I was looped in. My favorite definitely has to be the week leading up to the wedding. I'm going in with foundation to even out my skin tone. All our friends and family were in town and we started practicing for the Sangeet. Also, by the way, my favorite function. Next step, setting powder. I wanted to be a part of every dance, but it's a wedding and not the IFA awards, but wait till it's my turn. I'm kidding. There's a long time. Now for the eyes, I love this step. I'm gonna go in with this and this. Maharashtrian weddings aren't very ritual heavy. We have the basic rituals, but my personal favorite has to be the games. I don't know if it's a serious ritual or it was just introduced as something fun to maybe keep the bride and groom and everyone else entertained. I'm not very sure, but it gets competitive and the bride always wins, of course. Next, I'm going in with Kajal and mascara. If you're a crier, you might want to go easy on these steps. Me personally, I sobbed. Fairas, Mehendi, Badai, everything. I just stood there crying. I tried to play it tough though. I was very sneakily dabbing and wheezing. For the cheeks and lips, I'm using the Tint. I will say though, I was young then, and now that I'm older and my friends are getting married, weddings are just 10 times more fun. I love that I get to do a 3-day staycation with my friends and dress up and do masti every day. 3 times a day. And also listen to all the wedding classics like Kajal. By the 3rd time the song plays, everyone sings it at the same pitch, the chorus. I also feel like by the last day, I know exactly what song the DJ is gonna play next. Okay, and that is my daytime look. It's matte, it's fresh, it's minimal. Ideal for a morning daytime function, probably like a Mehendi or anything else in the daytime. Now let's switch things up for the night. We're gonna keep the same base. We're just gonna turn up the shine and the shimmer and make it more glossy, add some color to the eyelid. I do love that there is no ceiling to dressing up at a wedding. I'm going to pick this shade and just go in. I'm gonna go in and deepen the shimmer a little bit more. Also deepen the Kajal. I'm gonna do black this time. Because yes, I do get exhausted sometimes, but I can't look tired. Now lips. Honestly, I get asked my lip combo every day, not to brag, but here's that. I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of loose powder because I would like to look like this at 2 AM also. And that's a quick and easy day to night wedding makeup look, which is matte by day and glossy by night with just a few products. Tell me your favorite go-to Shadi product in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to BeBeautiful for more easy tutorials.